Hi, this is Gaurav Dayal, and we are at my Beat Factory Academy, New Delhi. As you would already know, Beat Factory is a music production school, and we have various courses to teach you sound design, sound engineering, digital audio workstation features, advanced mixing and mastering. We also learn how to record vocals, instruments, learn how to program synthesizers and drum machines. We also teach you how to organize and arrange your tracks so they sound professional. We learn how to mix and master your tracks, all within 6 months on our Platinum Producer course, or you can even take the simple modules which teach you one element one at a time. We also have courses for beginners and for professionals. So if you're somebody who does not know anything about playing an instrument, that's not a problem. You can come here, we teach you how to really use electronic music software to create your own sounds and music and design your own tracks, the music in your head. Or even if you're a professional who's been doing this for about a year, 2 years or more, but want to take your sound to the next professional level, which is maybe something you struggle with, then this is again the right place for you. We also have another branch in Mumbai, and I'm thrilled to be on Youth Buzz.